Very good morning. In this session, I am going to discuss in detail about Jenkins. Jenkins is used for automatic building, testing and deploy of application. It supports continuous integration and continuous deployment. Let's see what is happening during continuous integration and continuous deployment phase. In continuous integration phase, it automatically build and test when there is a changes in source code. And also, it will check the code quality and ensure the bug-free code and reduce the integration issues. During the continuous deployment phase, the entire application is converted into jar or var file after the build operation. Then it automatically deploy for production. So this is the Jenkins architecture. Jenkins is act as an intermediate between source repository and build, test and deploy phases. When there is a changes identified in the source repository by Jenkins, automatically the pipeline will trigger. During build stage, compilation is happening. During the test stage, it will try to check the code quality. During the deploy stage, it will deploy your application into the server. In the build stage, there is a compilation and packaging is happening. There are few other operation also happen during the build stage. That is code compilation. If it is a Spring Boot code, then the Java files converted into the bytecode. And also, if there is a React application, the required dependencies like npm is downloaded. If it is a Spring Boot, Maven is downloaded. And also, resource processing is happening, which means that it will try to remove some white spaces, or if there is any duplicate code, then it will be removed. Then file merging is happening. Then it will try to copy some static resources into a folder for final processing. Then there is a packaging will happen. Packaging means after build process, it will try to convert the entire application into single file called var file or jar file. During the test stage, it try to check the code quality in terms of unit test, integration test, UI test and static analysis. Finally, during the deployment stage, it will move your final build into the runtime environment, then transfer your jar or var file into the server, then deploy your application to the Tomcat web server or any other web servers. If required, you can restart the services. These are all the benefit of using Jenkins. That is, it will try to avoid the repetitive tasks. So we can configure at one time. Then Jenkins will automatically identify the changes happening in the source repository. Then it will trigger the pipeline. These are all the common integration plugins were used in each stage. During version control, Git, GitHub or GitLab plugins were used. In the build tool, Maven or Gradle. In the containerization, Dockers. For notification purpose, either Slack or MS Team is used. To check the code quality, SonarQube plugins is used. Thank you. Good morning. In this session, I am going to discuss how to install the required softwares for Cloud DevOps. So these are all the mandatory softwares. First one is a Git installer, second JDK21, third is Jenkins, fourth one Tomcat, fifth one is Maven. So let me start with the first Git installer. You can simply Google it, Git installer for Windows. You can take a first hyperlink and take operating system as Windows. Now you can click on download. It will start download the Git software. We'll wait for some time to complete the installation, complete the download. Now once it is downloaded, double click this Git, run. Yes, you can simply click next. You can take a default path as C program files Git, click on next. Yes, next, 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 you can accept all default configuration. Now install. Now you can click on finish. The installation is successfully completed. So now I'm going to verify whether the Git is installed properly or not. Open a command prompt and check the Git version, Git hyphen hyphen version. So now Git is properly installed. So we'll do the second installation of JDK 21. For that, you can take another tab and search for Java downloads. You can have a hyperlink with oracle.com. Take a second hyperlink, that is oracle.com website. Now here you can go to under the Java downloads. You can take this JDK 21 version and choose the operating system as Windows. Now you can choose this x64 MSA installer. So once the download gets completed, double click this JDK 21 exe file, run it, click on next, next, yes. Now the installation is successfully completed. We'll verify so we'll check whether it is installed properly or not. Open a folder, go to C drive. Now take a program files, check Java. Java JDK 21 is now installed. So we have to do one more thing. We have to set the path in the environment variable. So you can take this path. See program file Java JDK 21. Go to environment variables. Click on this environment variable. Under the system variable section, create a new variable. This time with the name JDK underscore home. JDK underscore home. Keep the variable name as a JDK home and variable value as the path. Click on OK, OK, OK. So now we have completed the second installation. We'll go for the third installation as Jenkins. You can take another tab and search for Jenkins download. First hyperlink, take the first hyperlink. So now you can choose your required operating system as Windows. Click on Windows. It is start downloading the Jenkins application. So we'll wait for some time to complete the downloads. Now download gets completed. Let's double click this jenkins.msa file, run it, click on next. So you can choose the default, you can take the default folder as C program file Jenkins, click on next. So by default, the Jenkins have one password. I want to reset my password. So I am just taking the first option, run as a local system, click on next. Now the Jenkins by default it will run an 8080 port number. So 8080 followed by test the port number. It is available. Now click on next. So now this step is most important. We have to provide the JDK path. So as we already set in the environment variable, take a same path. Now replace it. C program files Java JDK21. Click on next, next, install it. So now only we have partially installed our Jenkins. It's not fully completed. To complete the full installation, now take another browser tab and search for localhost colon 8080 because we have already given the port number as 8080. Localhost colon 8080. Just press enter. It will start open to unlock the Jenkins. So in this particular URL, the default password is there. By using this default password, we can set our own password. Copy this path and just download this. Just you by using this path, you can get a default password. So this is the default initial admin password. Copy this password. Now paste the password under the administrator password. Click on continue. So now I want to install the suggested plugin. There are two options. I can go ahead with the first option as install the suggested plugin. It will take another 5 minutes time. Meanwhile, I just pause the video. Now the now the installation is fully completed. We have to set our username and the password for your Jenkins. Now I can keep the username as admin, password as admin, confirm password also admin. Under this full name, you can keep your name. Under the mail address, you can keep my personal mail ID. It's not important. You can keep any mail ID. Click on save and continue. By default, it will run your application under http colon localhost colon 8080. Save and finish. Now your Jenkins is ready. Click on start using Jenkins. So this is actually a Jenkins dashboard. So now we'll do the next installation. Next installation is Tomcat 9 download. You can take another tab called Apache Tomcat download. Take the first hyperlink Apache Tomcat 9 software downloads. So there are actually in the left hand side you can see that Tomcat 9, 10, 11 versions are there. Take a version number 9. So now under this core you can take 32 or 64-bit Windows Service Installer. Click on that installer. Now downloads were completed. Double click this application. Yes. Click on next. I agree. Next. See, by default it is Apache is tried to execute with the 8080 port number, but we already given 8080 port number for the Jenkins. So it we have you should not provide the same port number. So I'm making change that it is a 9090, where you need to provide the username and the password, where the username is the admin, password is also admin. There is a by default role is manager -GUI. Don't touch that. Now click on next. So here also you need to set the JDK path. I already have the right JDK path as C program file Java JDK21. Let it be. Click on next. Next. Now the installation were finished. Click on finish. So now the installation completed, but one more step is pending in the Tomcat 9 download. So now go to your C drive, program files, Apache Software Foundation, take a Tomcat 9.0, open this folder. I want to change one configuration file under this conf folder. Take Tomcat-users, right click and open in a notepad file, and you can locate these line. Username is equal to admin, password is equal to admin, roles manager -GUI. So we have to add one more roles also. So that roles allows access to HTTP API and the status pages. You can find that role name here. Just to copy this role name, manager hyphen script. We already have manager hyphen GUI, comma followed by include that roles. Just to save the application and close it. Close the folder as well. We have completed the fourth installation. We'll see the last installation as Maven download. Again, you can take another tab, Maven download. So take a first URL now. So now you have different files like binary tar.gz. You can take the first hyperlink, click on it. It is started download the Apache Maven 3.9.9. So let me go directly into the downloads folder now and check it. Now Apache is now successfully downloaded. I want to extract it. Right click and extract the folder. Now take this folder. So this is not like exe file. You need to set the path in the environment variable. Go to this Apache Maven. So now take this path. Take this path and go to environment variables. As we already said for the JDK, we need to create a new variable, this time with the Maven name, Maven home, and the variable name is the path. Click on OK, 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 and close it. That's it. We have completed all the required softwares for our Cloud DevOps. Thank you.